I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just pushing the buy button in the morning to get the stocks you saw on TV last night. I'm here to help you make money on these three stocks I saw on TV. I want to look at NuVasive. Okay, Kramer had the CEO of the company on Mad Money last night. Bottom line is he's really bullish on this. Really strong volume today. And what I'm looking at is this volatility squeeze. Notice how the stock has been trading 3 out of the last 4 days. It's closed outside the upper Bollinger Band here, 2 standard deviations above the 20-day moving average. So it's closed above that level. And all 4 days, it's actually traded above that level. So the bottom line is this is coming out of a volatility squeeze, very tight squeeze, right around 54 bucks. If you look at the weekly chart, you'll see the stock's breaking out of a really long period of consolidation. Honestly, not that I would ever be dishonest here, I think you can buy the stock right now. Not really as a trade, but this is a stock that's coming out of a long consolidation period. They make good stuff as far as spinal treatments. It's all good. Even for those of you with straight backs, this is still the kind of stock you want to get. Okay, now Ambarella, their stock is up a lot after hours because they reported some really strong earnings, which totally helps GoPro as well, which I'll tell you about in just a second. But if we look at like the 1-minute chart, you can see what happened. The stock initially traded down. See, don't trade after hours. You think you're smart, but you're actually really not. Okay, whoa, big up, oh, I'm going to buy, and then, oh, crap, I got to sell this thing. And then finally the stock trades higher, and you wish that when you'd bought, you'd stayed long. And then you wish that when you closed it out and shorted, you didn't do that either. So now you're looking at it kind of feeling like a fool. Okay, don't let me be describing you. Bottom line is this. The stock traded up. It's right up against resistance. But this is a stock that so many people have been shooting against. It's got about 1/3 of the float that's short. We could see a real pop in the morning. I can't buy stocks that are up 10%. On a gap. It's just not something that I can do. I've done it plenty of times before and virtually always lost money. But if the stock continues to run, this is one that you want to buy. And frankly, if it happens to sell off, that's one you want to buy too. Bottom line is this. Again, tough to buy a stock up 10%. I wouldn't recommend doing it. It's just not something you want to chase. If the stock gets away from you, consider it a missed opportunity as a trade. But ultimately, I think as the saying goes, because I made up the saying, it looks like it's gone down enough. 35 is support here. Stock's appreciably above that now, but you want to be taking this on any kind of weakness. GoPro, okay, I'm going on vacation in a couple weeks. I'll be honest, I bought a Hero camera. Still sitting in the box there. Haven't even tried to figure out how to use it yet. What can I say? I've been busy. But you look at the stock, it's up big on Ambarella's numbers. Not that big, actually. But I would look at this in the same way as I'm looking at Ambarella. This stock is, it's gone down enough. This is your low right here. I wouldn't rush to buy it just because Ambarella reported good earnings. But watch it, because this company reports in a month and a half in mid-July. Which is actually the time that a boy named Sue hit town. Johnny Cash reference. Anyway, but look at this stock. If it starts trading up a bit, it really needs to blast all the way through here. I don't think this is going to happen, but I do believe that you want to be long before they report earnings. I'm looking at Ambarella, good numbers there. GoPro has gotten absolutely crushed. If you call 90 bucks to 9 getting crushed, I think this is a stock that you can be getting long into earnings, not at 1072 though. Wait for the stock to pull back a little bit and then take that stock. Okay, that's it for this version or edition of 3 stocks I saw on TV. Hope it's working for you. Hope to see you next time.